So this is a really nice product for skin that needs a bit of TLC. You know, maybe your skin is stressed, or it's been out in the weather, or you've had a cosmetic procedure and it just needs some love and attention and barrier building. So it's the Barrier Restore Complex from Priori, which is a fab brand that does skincare that's kind of adaptive. So it's got a bunch of ingredients where your skin can take what it needs from them. Actually, it's called the LCA FX140 complex, but I didn't want to put you off by saying that, but there is a lot of science behind this brand. I mean, LCA stands for a kind of compound ingredient that has lactic acid in there that improves skin hydration, and vitamins C and A for antioxidant help and support. And then there's also ceramides in that LCA complex, which help with the barrier. Then there's also cholesterol in here, which is really good for building a skin barrier, and an anti-inflammatory complex. So it's the kind of thing where, you know, when your skin needs a moment, just like, and breathe, you know, this will bring it all right down. So you can use it whenever you need to, really. I would apply it to clean, dry skin twice a day, or you could use it on top of a treatment serum, but it's very gentle, it's very easily absorbed, it goes right in, it feels very comforting, but without any kind of tackiness or stickiness to it. So it's a lovely product, very supportive for skin that is stressed or reactive, and you just need to use it and give your skin that moment to bring itself back to calm.